If you're really serious about getting a job, the hospital system would be good to get into. They look after you.
My role at the Mullewa Hospital is maintenance and gardens. I do most of the repairs unless a tradesman is required, and look after all the gardens. Well, we've only got a small team of people, but they're great to work with.
I started here in stores actually in supply, and then ended up coming to do property services here. I allocate accommodation that for all our locums and nurses that come into town, and it's just been very rewarding, challenging.
Throughout the regions we have quite a different range of hospitals. We have the district hospitals and the larger regional hospitals, but we've also got smaller clinics. 143 facilities around Western Australia all need maintenance and repairs.
We're looking for engineers and technicians to be all over WA, primarily out in the regions.
We try and look for the local community first. If there's an opportunity for someone in the community to step into wax that has the appropriate skills and knowledge.
First time in a government job. Prior to this, I've always been in private enterprise, had my own business for about 14 years. You know, the job entails a lot of mechanical skills that I already had. So I'm a qualified automotive electrical fitter by trade.
Every day something different pops up. No 2 days are the same.
1 minute you'll be looking at an ECG machine, and the next minute you'll be pulling down a fence, and then you'll be up fixing air conditioning units.
I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm looking after the engineering department for Wax Central, who provide assistance to all the regions. So I could be up in Derby one day, and another day I could be down in Albany looking at the hospitals down there. We're looking at mechanical, electrical, hydraulic and fire systems and equipment. So if people who have that experience, we definitely would love to get them on board.
Wax pay for all your training. I've done a chainsaw course, chemical handling course, all through Wax. There's ongoing courses that I've got access to that I can apply for.
There are many allowances that people can benefit from in wax. Travel allowances, air conditioning allowances in the north.
So it's like a big family working here. We have a laugh, we do stuff seriously, and we really got getting the collaboration really down to a T. It's probably, I'd say, one of the best places I've worked at.
It's a great place to work. They give you all the support you need. The pay's very good.
Working for Wax is an amazing opportunity. You get to work down in the wine regions, down south, you get to work up north, and all the fantastic scenery. You've got coast all along our west, all with hospitals on them.
I only work Monday to Friday, weekends to myself. I like my fishing, so we're only an hour away from some of the best beaches in Western Australia. A mate of mine's got a boat, so we're out on that boat 2 or 3 times a month.
Everyone tells me that as soon as they hit a region, they love it. They love working in the regions. They don't want to move.
Single bloke out here, living the dream.